The Crochet Bunny applique is a delightful and easy project perfect for adding charm to various items like bags, clothing, or home decor. With its soft body, cute ears, and friendly face, this adorable bunny can be made quickly, making it an ideal choice for both beginners and experienced crafters alike. Key feature of the Crochet Bunny applique. This applique can be attached to a variety of projects including basket, bags, clothing and blankets, enhancing their visual appeal. The pattern is designed for all skill levels, ensuring that even beginners can successfully create this cute bunny. The bunny works up quickly, making it a great option for using up leftover yarn and completing in a short time. Featuring a cuddly body, adorable ears, and a sweet face, this bunny is sure to capture hearts and bring joy to any project. The pattern calls for light brown and pink yarn, a 2.75 mm hooks, safety eyes, and basic crochet stitches, making it accessibility for most crafters. Crafters are encouraged to share their finished project on social media, fostering a sense of community and inspiration among fellow crocheters.